Quadratic equations. Introduction. Dear friends, you have studied different types of polynomials. One type was the quadratic polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. When we equate this polynomial to 0, we get quadratic equation, that is, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Quadratic equations come up when we deal with many real-life situations. For example, consider a charity trust decide to build a prayer hall for having a carpet area of 300 square meters with its length 1 meter more than twice its breadth. Suppose the breadth of the hall is x meters, then its length should be 2x plus 1 meters. Now, area of the hall is equal to length multiplied by breadth meter square, which is equal to 2x plus 1 multiplied by x meter square, which is equal to 2x square plus x meter square. But 2x square plus x is equal to 300, given. Therefore, 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. So, the breadth of the hall should satisfy the equation 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0, which is the quadratic equation. In this chapter, you will study quadratic equation and various ways of finding their roots. A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. For example, 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. In fact, any equation of the form p of x is equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2 is a quadratic equation. But when we write the terms of p of x in descending order of their degree, then we get the standard form of the equation. That is, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is called the standard form of a quadratic equation. Let's study Quadratic Equation Introduction. Methods of solving quadratic equation. Nature of roots of quadratic equation. Relation between roots and coefficients. Applications of quadratic equations. Let's recall. You have studied polynomials last year. You know types of polynomials according to their degree. When the degree of polynomial is 1, it is called a linear polynomial, and if degree of a polynomial is 2, it is called a quadratic polynomial. Activity. Classify the following polynomials as linear and quadratic. 5x plus 9, x square plus 3x minus 5, 3x minus 7, 3x square minus 5x, 5x square. Linear polynomials 5x plus 9, 3x minus 7. Quadratic polynomials x square plus 3x minus 5, 3x square minus 5x, 5x square. Now equate the quadratic polynomial to 0 and study the equation we get. Such type of equation is known as quadratic equation. In practical life, we may use quadratic equations many times. Example: Sanket purchased a rectangular plot having area 200 square meters. Length of the plot was 10 meters more than its breadth. Find the length and the breadth of the plot. Let the breadth of the plot be x meter. Therefore, length is equal to x plus 10 meter. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Therefore, 200 is equal to x plus 10 multiplied by x. Therefore, 200 is equal to x square plus 10x. That is, x square plus 10x is equal to 200. Therefore, x square plus 10x minus 200 is equal to 0. Now, solving equation x square plus 10x minus 200 is equal to 0. We will decide the dimensions of the plot. Let us study how to solve the quadratic equation. Recall. Activity. X square plus 3x minus 5, 3x square minus 5x, 5x square. Write the polynomials in the index form. Observe the coefficients and fill in the boxes. X square plus 3x minus 5, 3x square minus 5x plus 0, 5x square plus 0x plus 0. Coefficients of x square are 1, 3 and 5. These coefficients are non-zero. Coefficients of x are 3, minus 5 and 0 respectively. Constant terms are minus 5, 0 and 0 respectively. Here, constant term of second and third polynomial is 0. Learn. Standard form of quadratic equation. The equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called the quadratic equation. General form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. Activity. Complete the following table. Quadratic equation x square minus 4 is equal to 0. General form x square plus 0x minus 4 is equal to 0. A 1, b 0, c minus 4. Quadratic equation y square is equal to 2y minus 7. General form y square minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. A 1, b minus 2, c 7. Quadratic equation x square plus 2x is equal to 0. General form x square plus 2x minus 0 is equal to 0. A 1, b 2, c 0. Examples. Example 1. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. 1. 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Solution. In the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is the only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. 2. 9y square plus 5 is equal to 0. Solution. In the equation 9y square plus 5 is equal to 0, y is the only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. 3. m cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Solution. In the equation m cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0, m is the only variable but maximum index of the variable is not 2. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. 4. L plus 2 multiplied by L minus 5 is equal to 0. Solution. L plus 2 multiplied by L minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, L multiplied by L minus 5 plus 2 multiplied by L minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, L square minus 5L plus 2L minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, L square minus 3L minus 10 is equal to 0. In this equation, L is the only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Solved example. Example 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Check whether 1. X is equal to 3 upon 2. 2. X is equal to minus 2 are solutions of the equations. Solution 1. Put x is equal to 3 upon 2 in the polynomial 2x square minus 7x plus 6. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2 the whole square minus 7 multiplied by 3 upon 2 plus 6, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 9 upon 4 minus 21 upon 2 plus 6, which is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 21 upon 2 plus 12 upon 2, which is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon 2 is the solution of the equation. 2. Let x is equal to minus 2 in 2x square minus 7x plus 6. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 2 the whole square minus 7 multiplied by minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 plus 14 plus 6, which is equal to 28, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 is not a solution of the equation. If x is equal to 5 is a root of equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0, then find the value of k by completing the following activity. Solution. One of the roots of equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0 is 5. Therefore, now let x is equal to 5 in the equation. K multiplied by 5 square minus 14 multiplied by 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 25k minus 70 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 25k minus 75 is equal to 0. Therefore, 25k is equal to 75. Therefore, k is equal to 75 upon 25, which is equal to 3. Number 1. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of equation where a, b, c are real numbers and a is non-zero. 2. The values of variable which satisfy the equation or the value for which both the sides of equation are equal are called solutions or roots of the equation. Practice set 2.1. 1. Write any two quadratic equations. Solution. X square plus 5x minus 25 is equal to 0. M square minus 4m plus 9 is equal to 0 are any two quadratic equations. 2. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. 1. X square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2. Y square is equal to 5y minus 10. 3. Y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. 4. X plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. 5. M plus 2 multiplied by m minus 5 is equal to 0. 6. M cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. Solution. Equations 1, 2, 4 and 5 are quadratic equations as all these equations have one variable and have 2 as the maximum index of the variable. Write the following equations in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write the values of a, b, c for each equation. 1. 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. Solution. This can be written in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 as y square plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. Here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 10. 2. X minus 1 the whole square is equal to 2x plus 3. Solution. x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 2x plus 3. Therefore, x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. Therefore, x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0 is same as the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 2. 3. X square plus 5x is equal to minus of 3 of minus x. Solution: x square plus 5x is equal to minus of 3 minus x. Therefore, x square plus 5x is equal to minus 3 plus x. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 3. 4. 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Solution: 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Therefore, 3m square minus 2m square plus 0m plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, m square plus 0m plus 9 is equal to 0 is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 9. 5. P multiplied by 3 plus 6p, which is equal to minus 5. Solution: P multiplied by 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. Therefore, 3p plus 6p square is equal to minus 5. Therefore, 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equal to 0 is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5. 6. X square minus 9 is equal to 13. Solution: x square minus 9 is equal to 13. Therefore, x square plus 0x minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 0x minus 22 is equal to 0 is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 22. Four. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. 1. X square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 minus 1. Solution: let one of the roots of equation x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0 is 1. Therefore, put x is equal to 1 in the equation. Therefore, 1 square plus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 plus 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to 0. Hence, x is equal to 1 is root of the given equation. Now put x is equal to minus 1 in the equation. Minus 1 the whole square plus 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 8 is not equal to 0. Hence, x is equal to minus 1 is not the root of given equation. Two. 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. M is equal to 2, 5 upon 2. Solution: now put m is equal to 2 in equation 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 2 square minus 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 4 minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, 8 minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2 is not equal to 0. Hence, m is equal to 2 is not root of the equation. Now put m is equal to 5 upon 2. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 5 upon 2 the whole square minus 5 multiplied by 5 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 25 upon 4 minus 25 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to 0. Hence, m is equal to 5 upon 2 is the root of the equation. 5. Find k if x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Solution. One of the roots of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0 is 3. Therefore, now put x is equal to 3 in the equation. Therefore, k multiplied by 3 square minus 10 multiplied by 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 9k minus 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 9k minus 27 is equal to 0. Therefore, 9k is equal to 27. Therefore, k is equal to 27 upon 9 is equal to 3. Therefore, k is equal to 3. 6. One of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Solution. Minus 7 upon 5 is a root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, put m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the equation. Therefore, 5 multiplied by minus 7 upon 5 the whole square plus 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, 49 upon 5 plus minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, 7 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 7.